I just went back to the 10-cent version instead of 5 lines. I thought I'd go back because it wasn't good. It's got a few features, but it wasn't winning too much. Thought I'd go back and play full lines, like 30 lines. It's a good start, 15.
Yeah.
It's got a habit of not putting any in half the time, if you noticed on these.
Yeah.
In. Wise choice to swap. Oh. Another chip. More than 28. Waste. Come on, don't waste. Take the pieces. Big chip. Oh, well, I'm wasted.